Hi everyone. With so many chemical anchors on the market these days, with all the terminology, all the abbreviations, it's quite difficult to make the correct decision for your specific application. But if you're looking for a good multi-purpose chemical anchor for domestic and for industrial use, look no further than the WIT VM250. This chemical anchor consists of vinyl and polyester and is completely styron free and can withstand pull forces of up to 250 kilograms. So to demonstrate the application of the VM250, I will be requiring a few other tools from our range. Firstly, I've taken the liberty of pre-drilling a hole for us into this solid piece of concrete using the M-Cube SDS drill and also one of our SDS quadro bits. I will also require a heavy-duty caulking gun. I have one of these brushes to clean the sides of our hole, and then also a push pump to get rid of the dust from the bottom of the hole, and then also we will require one of these pre-cut studs. A piece of threaded rod could also be used. Okay, step number one. We want to brush the sides of our hole and then use our push pump to get rid of dust, and you want to repeat this process about 3 times. We are now going to excrete this product through a mixer nozzle, and I strongly recommend ordering some extra nozzles from your WIT sales representative. But firstly, a very important step. The very first part of this chemical anchor needs to be discarded because of the product not mixing properly yet. And as soon as you can see a slight color change, you know that your product is ready. Okay, now that we are absolutely sure that our hole is clean and dust free, we want to stick this nozzle right to the bottom of the hole and start to eject. And essentially what I want to do is just slightly pull back, and I want to fill approximately 2/3 to 3/4 of the hole. Right, I'm now going to take my pre-cut stud. So firstly, what size hole do we drill? And that all depends on the size of the stud. So with a chemical anchor resin, you always want to go 4 millimeters bigger than the stud. So in this case, we are utilizing an M12 stud, which means I must drill a 16 millimeter hole. So starting off, and also what you want to do is you want to slowly turn your rod as you are pushing down on it. And also what you want to see is the excess resin sort of swirling out the sides of the hole as you are pushing down. And there we go. So you can leave as is, or the excess can simply be wiped away. Okay, so after about a 10 to 15 minute period, this resin will be rock hard, and you can add your nuts and washers basically to your stud, and this can now be used to secure any steel or wooden brackets, facades, structural expansions, anything like that. If there is any more technical information or safety data sheets that you require, please speak to your WIT sales consultant, or please visit our WIT South Africa website.